ever, God. Every day I pray and ask God for us to give me the opportunity.
Oh, so Father God, good enough people. Father God is great. When I see the title, I can't believe it. I did on my laptop a while ago. When I look at a message that come in. Oh my God, man. People, thank you so much for keeping on a support channel. Almost 3 years now we are the YouTube for, and this is the biggest thing ever happened to it. Thank you. And this is the title, people. Yes, the title is true. Tyler Perry email. Oh God, man. Ah. Yo, I never know I feel happy right now. So they want to come in a movie. Oh God, man, God is great. Some people think come through fast and it will take a longer for come through, but I tell them don't give up on what I do. You have to thank you straight. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the like the video them. Thank you for subscribe. Right now, I'll be downstairs. See more video or I make sure see you and see you, because this is a biggest streams. This is why I be the YouTube and people. I'm gonna tell her, I say tell her for email me. And she said the email, oh God. I tell her she might go into tears because this is how she really worked for how long. I can't say it no more. So guys, I'll be downstairs, she still a cook. So now we plan to come up here with the food. Then make sure know what really take place, and I tell her, man, life changing experience. And see how she gonna react to it and make sure know say yo. I just patience, you know, man. Patience and hard work and commitment do it, you know. She got happy, she got happy, she got happy. So guys, she just come up with the food a while ago. Now she gone on for the juice. Let the camera go and run in the meantime. You take a long stump of bucky, man?
My love, I want bag of drugs there and I got to my juice.
So now all that, and like, respect. Yo, serious thing. You check email from morning?
Yeah, but I'm stay for my check email, so I don't see me there. Get up, up. Turn them up.
But check it. Abbi?
Awa.
Put on the juice.
Awa.
Your life change. Go on the email, Abbi. Go on Google right now. Let's put up Google. Let's see that Google. Go on Google now.
Awa.
And everyone say, I don't talk that more. Just come with your email and read what you see there. The last thing I sent to email, just read it. Woo! Read it, Abbi, read it. What you say? Read it, man.
Yeah, but it's man.
Abbi, read it, read it. What you say? When you about me, I think God. Jesus, just read it, Abbi.
Yeah, but it's a man.
I'm not read me here. What the email say?
I, Abbi and Capo J.A. We here at Tyler students are seeking class member.
Alright. What else?
Capo.
What else it say?
For an upcoming movie which starts filming in March 2020.
Jesus Christ.
We discovered your YouTube channel and believe that your personalities will
Can't believe it.
fit perfectly with the characters we have available. If interested, please respond to this email or call or executive producer at whatever, so we can provide more details. This true for true?
Yo.
No, this true for true.
Abbi, I want to know what you're saying. Don't look panic and check everything already.
So how can you ever call me?
Abbi, you want me to come up here and show you yourself. You know, I want you to read it yourself. You can't believe this. You can't believe this, Abbi.
Boss. Boss. For true. Can you show this legit? And nobody not fuck around with?
Come on, check the email already. I've been not around the email. I feel them thing that, I feel them number that. Someone call the number too. Tyler Perry, you know. Madia, you know.
You serious some of this, you know?
Madia.
Blood clot.
You know, long
No, I serious on this. I serious on this.
Yo, I forgot to tell the fans them about this. I forgot to make your channel. I have to make your bad now about this.
I have to tell them now for document this. I have to tell them. I have to do this. I'm nervous about this.
We had to make a video and you go live. We had to.
I tell you I make a video.
Jesus Christ.
We can't go down until this shit finalize.
AC gang, I'm telling you right
God.
now. That's a big.
That's why I'm always singing the song. If God be for me,
Jaja.
who can
This is how I
be
flip it. People don't
against
understand
me?
about me right now. Change.
If God
Thank you
is
so much.
with me,
Oh boy.
who shall
Let's see how we are saying.
I
Serious stuff going
fear?
now.
If no one knows me, still His heart adores me. I am safe, I am loved, I am free. People, Yeah, but just my read an email a while ago. Tyler Perry Studios. As you can see by the title, because we know it must be the title right now when we see that video. Tyler Perry Studios email with.
Woo!
People,
thank you from my heart, from my soul, and my feet to the crown of my head. Thank you.
You know much struggle?
2.5 August come next year, make 3 years since we post the first video on YouTube. And I asked if never it hard.
Oh my God.
You know, so we actually get recognition.
Sorry, God.
From,
Oh my God.
you know, so we actually get recognition.
Sorry, God.
From, from Abbi's favorite producer and writer.
I see what
Yeah. And if you can't continue the video, I tell you the
but,
truth. Yo, we're going to make a video about this. But right now, yo.
I see what someone going to go.
People, the video continue later.
We can't do it eat. I see what some stop a celebration. God!
Can't believe it. Tyler Perry, no? Tyler Perry Studios. The dream. Abbi.
Can I see what somebody's up? See what somebody's.
Tell us, yo.
So every day I pray to God and I ask him.
What I cry? Tell us, once I put in the work, you know.
Once I put in work, but with the help of God, every day I pray I ask God for us to give me the opportunity.
Yeah, I don't have enough more reply. Just let my friend people reply, sir. I don't have enough time to say.
Show them enough for going.
The email look like you real loving.
God. See? Oh, when I struggle for things, people laugh after me, you know. People laugh, them class, them done with, them this, them that. Woo. I imagine your one family member, them and them fuck with it. I try that I will still push. I will still pray to God and look on God. Look on God, Captain, look on God. No, what's it like? This cup of champagne was every time Dave Val coming about him want champagne. Oh, this one give me no, I tell him that my eye. My eye bigger and I miss nothing. God!
How this going on?
God.
What? Abbi, take your phone to drink. People, we can't put a party in that video too.
Guys,
a celebration.
I always say, I'm not pull this until I go do a real celebration. And imagine.
Things are gone. Trust me. Finally, I broke you. Celebrate that, yeah, man.
Big up yourself, God. If it's not you, then Lord is nothing. If I see what some of this, I see what some of these people, see what some of these.
Can't even understand how I feel like. I can't even talk. At least I'll be able to strength to talk.
Man, I cried pussy, God.
I don't feel weak out there, I'll tell you the truth. People, I'm thankful so much. I wouldn't make it happen.
Guys,
everybody watch the video, them and like the video, them.
We struggle.
Make it happen.
I don't know how much struggle we go through. We have big people to subscribe, big people to watch. Imagine we have big family members and all of them people there. So every time we see them post other people things and them not post we for sure all that frog up. But guess what, we never watch no face. We just continue to do a thing and pray to God and look on God. That's what I always tell them, say put God first in everything. Put God first in everything we do. God. Not about God. Come on, not about God.
Alright, I'm going to drop the buckle of it now. I'm going to drop it.
Jesus Christ. But that's how I always say the prayer video. I can't even see sit down the way this, so I see what's up with this.
Eat some of that food right now. Celebrate.
What I do?
Your email good?
What?
What kind of pronoun spell?
Tylerberry.
P-R-Y-O.
2
The two are in a period.
Yeah, why you wanna know this? Why you wanna know this?
Oh, you're gonna give me for life, you know? I'm prank. I'm send the email. I'm here the email. I'm sending a prank you. I'm sorry to do it, but I'm up to the from now. Come on, I'm going to call people and tell everybody. Say, Abbi, easy no?
Keep your leg off of me.
You have to tell the from now.
Keep your leg off of me.
You never know you're going to be able to react so.
Keep your leg off of me. Why you for do that, you idiot? Why you for do that, you idiot? Why you for do that, you idiot?
I'm sorry.
Someone as big as this, you're going to fuck yourself with. Someone me you ever dream what you're going to fuck yourself with.
I'm sorry, you never know you're going to react so. You get up happy and just laugh and say thank God. You never know you're going to react so.
Careful.
You never know you're going to
You
react
get a
so.
fucking email from Tyler Perry. How the fuck you're going to react?
Someone
ever dream about. Keep on some fucking touch book around. Keep on some fucking touch book around. Keep on some fucking touch book around.
We're not going to post a video. I'm sorry. Easy enough? I never know you're going to react. That's why I never know stay think serious. Think you're going to check the email. You ever read things and detail. Think you're read the email good.
One thing I know fuck with people dream. Fuck with people dream. You can't know say that I always one of my big dream name and you go fuck around. So keep up. Fuck up. I don't know about no man in the mood. You fuck up. There's somebody in the summer you for ramp boat. Move your blood clot and my clothes because I got my You have an excuse.
Stop it now.
Why are you dreaming? Why are you dreaming? Things I'm going to run them some of your hand. What the? Leg off of me, leg off of me, leg off of me. Leg off of me, leg off of me, leg off of me.
That's correct, Abbi.
You gotta ramp with people dream them, get it careful. You fuck up for that.
I'm sorry, man. You know, man, Abbi. You think you're going to read the email?
Keep on leg off of me. Keep on my hand.
You're going to do it?
Keep on leg off of my hand. Leg off of, don't touch me.
I'm just relax now.
Don't touch me, careful. Yeah, man, you bust my fucking champagne. I'm saying, and some.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Imagine me down there cook dirty breakfast here. What happened? I'm gonna dash you everything.
Yo, that's your food.
Everything.
Yeah,
Leg off of me.
I'm sorry.
Like you fuck up Phyllis. You fuck up big time, you can't ramp with people dreams them way.
But it's a prank. I want to say what things are serious.
In a business, I can't prank with people dreams.
I'm telling you, I'm sorry. I never know you're going to react so. You think you're going to read the email good?
Alright, I prank. Yeah, I prank. Alright, leg off of me, I prank.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I prank.
I'll be over that going.
I'm not going to prank.
Please.
I prank. So I'm not pranking game, right? You fuck with people dreams and I prank. Alright then.
You never know you're going to react so.
Alright then.
If you don't say you're going to be a you can just love to thank God and whatever. You start ball and you feel how you say start ball.
Alright, I prank.
Alright guys, you know so Capo prank them always bad and this time even all I wanna get prank. Even myself believe, hey, it's really it's funny you know, cause even me believe say it just got up in the moment cause even I feel like it's real and I mean the email you know people subscribe and comment if you enjoy that video. Comment team Abbi if you're not team Abbi, team Capo if you're not team Capo cause I know say my prank them always bad. So you cut off my locks one day and you want to kill her, I say no, I plan something even wicked of her. But to be honest people, I never know what hurt her feelings, and I have to apologize to her again. To tell the truth, I don't know what I'm going to do to make it back to her, because I know right now she eat me like poison, you know, because you see how she behave. She right now, she angry right now. She probably just stab me. Right now she hurt me. She get all the knife right now. She's probably just stab me up. Abbi, it's another pranking game. Move on. Just subscribe and see what I got my next. I know I got my next. What I got my next. And just comment Team Capo. Tell me what you really think about that video. Just tell me. See you in the next video.